How to make money on Twitch. Making money playing video games is not as far-fetched as it sounds. There are many ways to make money off gaming, but the most popular way, and the easiest, is making money streaming on twitch.tv. This video will go over how you can earn money in the process. If you love gaming, you'll probably want to know how to make money on Twitch, especially as you might have heard that the most followed Twitch streamers are making a whopping 7 figures per year, like Tyler Blevins, aka Ninja, who reportedly earned $1 million for a few hours of gaming as part of EA's Apex Legends launch. How do Twitch streamers make money? Streamers with subscriptions, charitable giving, and Twitch bits all generate money on Twitch. They may also make money through advertising, brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing, merchandise sales, and game sales. On top of that, some Twitch streamers have income from YouTube videos and people's contributions to their Patreon accounts. When does Twitch pay you? The site will pay you every 15 days if your account balance is more than $100 if you figure out how to generate money on Twitch. How to make money on Twitch without being a partner. You can't generate money from subscriptions, Twitch bits, game sales, or advertising until you become a Twitch affiliate or partner. It's also tough to make money through sponsorships or sales until you have a substantial following. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to make money on Twitch, there are 4 options for getting started while increasing your audience: donations, Patreon, YouTube, affiliate marketing. Donations. Some Twitch users like to show their appreciation for the streamers they enjoy by donating money or tips. You can receive donations through a third-party service even if you're not an affiliate or partner. You may get started collecting funds by incorporating a donate button to your channel, using services like PayPal, Streamlabs, Muxy, or DonorBox. YouTube. It's possible to start earning money from YouTube advertisements by uploading the best bits of your streams to your YouTube channel. You may also post original material, such as gameplay compilations, intriguing or amusing clips from your streams, or anything else. Although it may be tough to generate money on YouTube, it's not impossible. It is possible to earn money from YouTube, but it's not easy. Uploading videos to YouTube has another significant advantage. It's a fantastic method to get new followers for your Twitch streams. Note, in order to be eligible for ads on YouTube, you will need 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers as a minimum requirement. Why is YouTube useful? Twitch doesn't provide streamers with many methods to attract fresh eyes. YouTube, on the other hand, has sophisticated search tools, connected video suggestions, and even personalized recommendations for viewers. This is why, in addition to being successful on Twitch, top streamers also create videos on YouTube. Patreon. When you don't have a lot of followers, it's difficult to figure out how to make money on Twitch. In addition, you won't be able to take advantage of Twitch subscriptions until you've been an affiliate for 6 months. However, if you have a few dedicated followers who enjoy your broadcasts, you may entice them to give money to you on Patreon each month in exchange for goodies that you make. For example, you may give unique video material to subscribers or provide top gaming tips and techniques. Make certain to include a link to your Patreon profile in your Twitch profile description and advertise your Patreon goodies during streams. Affiliate marketing. Another excellent way to make money on Twitch without becoming a partner is to share affiliate links. Affiliate marketing is the practice of promoting goods online and earning a commission or fee for each product you aid in selling. Amazon Associates is most likely the most popular approach for streamers to monetize affiliate marketing. This program allows you to connect products on Amazon and earn a commission on your viewers' purchases. Set up the Amazon Blacksmith extension to begin with Amazon. The extension is utilized by many Twitch streamers to promote links to the equipment they use, including Fortnite and PUBG. You may also use this technique in your social media profiles via a chatbot and on streams to increase your earnings. How to earn money on Twitch with an audience. Once you've developed a following, it'll be simpler to generate money on Twitch by using the techniques described above. In addition, you may earn a few extra dollars in 2 additional methods: brand sponsorships and merchandise. Brand sponsorship. To get sponsorship offers, you don't need to be a Twitch affiliate or partner, though it does help. All you have to do is have a sizable, engaged audience that companies would want to connect with. You may also promote a variety of companies and products to your Twitch viewers, including gaming hardware and apparel companies, as well as beverages and musical instruments. Brands typically contact streamers they wish to work with, but there's nothing stopping you from directly approaching brands. You may also want to look into services that help streamers form sponsorship agreements with companies, such as PowerSpike and Hello Gamers. merchandise. Some of your viewers may buy the stuff you create, such as t-shirts, stickers, mugs, and laptop cases. If you have an engaged audience, for example, popular streamer Ninja sells his audience branded sweatshirts, set up a Spotify store and use a print-on-demand tool like Printify or Spring to sell branded products. How to make money on Twitch as an affiliate. In order to become a Twitch affiliate, you must fulfill a set of requirements. Among them, you must have a minimum of 50 followers, 500 broadcasted minutes over the last 30 days, 7 unique days of broadcasting, 3 or more concurrent viewers. When you join the Twitch affiliate program, you'll be able to generate money in 3 additional ways: subscriptions, Twitch bits, and game sales. Subscriptions. Twitch allows viewers to pay a monthly fee to subscribe to their favourite affiliates, gaining access to premium features. The most popular perks of membership are special chat rooms, subscriber-only streams, distinct emotions, and price reductions on items. There are 3 subscription plans: $4.99 per month, $9.99 per month, and $24.99 per month. Twitch affiliates get half the month's earnings, with the rest going to Twitch. As a result, subscriptions are frequently streamers' most significant and consistent source of income. Twitch bits. You'll be able to take donations directly through the site in the form of Twitch bits once you're a Twitch affiliate. Viewers can acquire bits by watching commercials or filling out surveys, or they may purchase them. Bits come in a variety of sizes and colorways. Streamers can then use their bits as currency to tip their viewers. Viewers may offer virtual cheers or tips through the chats when they like a stream or want to help the creator. Each time a streamer contributes to the stream, Twitch affiliates get $0.01. This may not appear much at first, but it can add up over time as your viewership increases. Game sales. You may make money by selling games on your Twitch channel as a Twitch affiliate. All you have to do is stream yourself playing a game that's available in the Twitch store. After that, your profile will display a Buy Now button that allows viewers to purchase the game and in-game extras without any action from you. Twitch affiliates receive 5% of game sales made through the channel, so be sure to advertise games you enjoy. Make money on Twitch as a partner. You may apply to the Twitch Partner Program if you become a top-performing Twitch affiliate. With one addition, Twitch partners get the same perks as affiliates, a share of the advertising income generated by their streams. Twitch ads. Twitch display pre-roll advertisements before viewers can join a broadcast. In addition, partners may use mid-roll advertising at any time during a stream. For example, many partners show commercials when they go to the restroom or grab something to eat. How much do Twitch streamers make from ads? The cost of Twitch advertisements ranges from $0.002 to $0.01 each view, depending on a variety of criteria, such as concurrent viewers' numbers, viewers' gender, geolocations and age, what game is being streamed, time of year. For example, ad pricing is generally higher during the holidays. For example, ads are frequently worth more at this time of year. If you want to see how much it costs, consider the following scenario. If you make $0.007 per 1,000 views, you would earn $7 in ads. On the other hand, this is not typically the most lucrative method of income on Twitch. However, if you have a large number of followers, the money may add up. Twitch is a live streaming platform that is very popular with gamers. They've also been coming up with new ways for users to make money, like having the viewers buy them gifts or interacting by sending them bits, currency. The more viewers and followers you have, the more likely you'll be able to make money on Twitch.